Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my base BOXYCHARM for March 2022. This is going to be a full unboxing, review, and, well, I would say demo, but there's no makeup in this box. And I'm a little disappointed, but we're going to talk through every item in this box, the repeat product that I'm not super thrilled about, and all of the tea. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the base box for the month of March, this is the Game Changer box. Stay tuned. Alright, so jumping right in, the theme is BOXYCHARM Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. And this is going to be variation number 5. I know I've said this before, but when you read that really long number, it's going to say C22 for 2022, 03 for March, and then 005. So variation number 5. First item out of the box, which was obviously the biggest disappointment to see, was the Gen Skin eye patches. Not a bad product, but a repeat product, and you know how much I hate getting products that I've already received. Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches retail for $49. The marine algae is a straight-from-the-sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eye, it will firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. And if you are looking for dewier, fresher-looking peepers, use these ASAP. Again, not a bad product, but this is the second set of eye patches that have come in BOXYCHARM this month, and I don't need more. I have so many, and these ones I actually didn't love. I did use them on set, I want to say like 6 months ago, and I ended up leaving them with the model because she loved them, and I have so many that I just don't need more. Next up from Franken Body, this is the Brightening Vitamin C Mask for babes who bite the forbidden fruit and then mask with it. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks. Natural and cruelty-free, it is packed with vitamin C, rich Kakuta plum to reveal your brightest, clearest skin. It dissolves away your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extracts, along with lactic, glycolic, and salicylic acids. I love those ingredients. A sophisticated formula, it's got more than one move. It used this vitamin C for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum or beauty filter. Retails for $19.95. Now this has some great ingredients in it. Salicylic is great for pore refinement. Lactic acid is great for hydration. Glycolic is great for hydration and exfoliation. So really, this is one of those really good products for doing a little bit of everything. Now masking is one of those things that I do recommend using probably once to twice a week, depending on the type of mask. And I have really enjoyed the Frank's Body products I've used in the past. But again, I currently have like 9 masks open, and I don't want to open another one right now. Again, when you open this, the clock starts ticking with that little open jar for when it's going to expire. And I currently have a mask from Honest Beauty, a mask from Wander Beauty, a mask from Glam Glow, I have like 10 masks open, which I normally never do. And I have like 10 I want to try. So I'm going to be putting this on the back burner for now and coming back to it in the future. Next up, one of 2 makeup items in the box. And of course, it's a liquid eyeliner, which we all know I don't use. Lauren Conrad Beauty's The Liquid Eyeliner retails for $20. Line your lashes with rich color that stays true through wear with this lightweight, non-smearing formula. Love the idea of a long wear, non-smearing formula, but my eyes are super hooded, and the second I put a lash on, I lose all of this space. And liner just takes up a little more space than I'm willing to give to my eyes. I would rather have more color if I'm going to do eyeshadow and do the most. So liquid liner just is not something that I think I probably used it twice ever on my channel. And that's probably as many times as I've worn it in my life. It's just not something I enjoy. The next item comes from Luxie brushes, which are some great brushes, and I pretty much own all of them. But I'm really excited because these ones do come in a different color. I don't, however, love the Luxie sponge. So I'm going to put the sponge aside and give that away. But the brushes are really cute, and these are some of their most memorable and iconic shapes, and I'm really excited to use these. This is the Florals brush set retailing for $40. Soar into spring with the new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, an eyeliner brush, a blending brush, a shader brush, and a concealer brush. Detailed blending sponge and a pastel purple pouch. Again, retails for $40. Now, there is an eyeshadow palette in my Luxe box, which is the video that went up already. So you will have already seen these in use and know how I feel about it. But if you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it up above so you can see me put this to the test with the Natasha Denona palette in the Luxe box. And the last item is the one from the choices that I was the most excited for. This is the Always an Optimist Base Illuminatrix. I'm going to just read this side. The Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer from Rare Beauty. A cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrates, and illuminates the skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. Ultra-fine pearls give you a soft, lit-from-within glow, retailing for $26. Now, I know I'm not doing a full makeup application in this video, but I do love a good primer, so I'm going to give this a try now, because I do every now and then when I don't want to do the whole face, I'll put a little primer on just to kind of smooth some things over, give me a little bit of that glow, even without foundation. And I'm going to end up putting foundation on because I'm about to film my Luxe box, and this will be on my base. So I'm going to take a little bit of this and just gently apply it. Definitely some shimmer there. Now I do want to point out, and I say this every time I do something like this, my skin is very sensitive, and the second I start touching it, it does go pretty red, but that does calm down shortly after. So the redness will go away, but I think the glow is really beautiful already. Like, I have this really nice illuminated dewiness to the skin. I'm getting that like highlighted effect even though I have no makeup but a primer on. So definitely excited to play around with this more. Now all in, the box costs $29 and this has $154.95 in value. The primer alone is basically the cost of the box, and I do love Luxie brushes. The mask I'm excited to try. These two products are obviously going to be duds for me, but I definitely would have gotten my money's worth out of the box. Again, this one is PR, but I do still like to look at it from the lens of, if I was to buy this myself, would I be happy? And the answer right now is yes. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say, and which box this month was your favorite. Let me know, sound off down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.